If you're seeing the Lucidchart access restricted error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your diagram without wasting time. We'll cover access requests, account checks, browser cleanup, and network troubleshooting. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, check the most common fix, request access directly from the error screen. When Lucidchart blocks a document, there is often a request access button right on the page. Click that button and send the request to the document owner. They should receive an email notification and can grant you permission quickly. If you're collaborating on a shared file, this is usually the simplest and fastest solution. Now, while you're here, make sure you are signed into the correct account. This part is very important, especially if you use multiple Google or Microsoft accounts in the same browser. Lucidchart may be opening the document under the wrong login, which can trigger an access restricted message even when you actually have permission. Sign out of your accounts if needed, then sign back in using the exact email address that the document was originally shared with. If you're not sure, double check with the owner or the team that shared the file. If access is still restricted, the next thing to try is opening Lucidchart in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps you test whether the issue is caused by browser sessions, saved cookies, or account conflicts. Open a private window, log into Lucidchart, and try the document again. If it works in incognito mode, then the problem is likely something stored in your normal browser session rather than a real permission issue. After that, clear your browser data. Go into your browser settings, then find Privacy and Security and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and site data along with cached images and files. If possible, set the time range to all time so everything related to the old session is removed. Then delete the data and reload Lucidchart. This often fixes weird sign-in issues and false access errors caused by outdated browser information. If you still can't get in, temporarily disable any browser extensions that may interfere with Lucidchart. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and security extensions can sometimes break login or loading behavior. Turn them off one at a time, then refresh the page and test again. If the document opens after disabling one of them, you've found the cause. You can then keep that extension off for Lucidchart or create an exception for the site. Next, check your network and VPN settings. Sometimes Lucidchart is blocked by a work network, school Wi-Fi, or a VPN connection. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try loading the document again. If you're on a restricted office or campus network, switch to a different connection, like a personal hotspot, and test there. This helps you determine whether the issue is related to your network instead of your Lucidchart permissions. If the file opens on another network, then your current network may be filtering access. At this point, if the document still shows restricted access, go back through the steps one more time. Confirm the request was sent, confirm the correct email is being used, and confirm your browser is not holding on to old data. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem quickly. So to recap, request access, verify the correct account, test in incognito mode, clear cache and cookies, disable conflicting extensions, and check your VPN or network. Those steps solve the majority of Lucidchart access restricted errors. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll keep making simple tutorials that save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.